rectangular cross section in our generalized equation. Let us see. Generalized equation minus r square as it is, minus r square as it is. R cube upon a. What is the value of a for the cross section? That is b into d. So this is b into d. Agreed? Now, what is the value of dA? What is the value of dA? Here is dA, na? What is the value of dA? b into dy. R plus y as it is. Now, what will be the limit of y? So, limit of y will be minus d by 2 to plus d by 2. Now, we will be solving this equation. Now, x square will be equal to ये टर्म मेरा आगे लिया है minus r square को मैं इधर पीछे की तरफ ले आया r cube upon bd. b से b मेरा कैंसिल हो गया तो खाली मेरा d बचेगा. So 1 upon r plus y है, 1 upon x का जो इंटीग्रेशन है that is equal to log of x. So this is log of r plus y minus d by 2 d by 2 minus r. So applying the limits आपने अप्लाई कर दी, higher limit minus lower limit minus इसको this is log of x minus log of y को क्या करेंगे log of x upon y, log of x upon y, this is over here, r cube upon d as it is minus r. Now this term is as it is, so this equation this becomes the यहाँ से 2 को ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो after solving the equation becomes, so this is the equation number 2. Now one more term comes into the picture. What is that? The term is log of e 2r plus d upon 2r minus d. ये जो टर्म है मैथमेटिकली इसके बराबर होती है. How much? d by r into 1 plus 1 by 3 d by 2r. This is the series. Basically, this is the logarithmic series which is equal to this much. So we will be putting this logarithmic series in our equation number 2. So equation number 2 can be rewritten as r cube by d as it is. So this is logarithmic series. I am putting it to value over here. D by r 1 plus this much minus r square. So d by r मैंने बाहर कर लिया. D से d cancel, r से जाते हो r square and this much. So this is equation number 3. Now this is the final equation 3. Equation number 3 gives the value of x square for the cross section of having a rectangular cross section whose dimensions are b into d. Thank you very much.